All right, so in this final session of the class, I'm going to give you an example, go through it together, and then your assignment is going to be the complete activities that was listed. Okay, so in this example, you have a poem again about thunderstorm, or it seems to be. Okay, so in this one now, it says study the examples provided in the table and write down further examples of each technique. Right? That's going to be your activity. So with each technique that I listed, for example, imagery, contrast, simile, the examples that I give you, I want you to list one more example under each. So let me just write that. Right? Hashtag activity. This is not Instagram. List one more example under each figurative technique. Right? When you quickly have finished that now, we're going to move into a poem to see the literary techniques. Right? Figurative techniques, rather. Right. So we say now, read the following extract from a narrative poem and identify as many figurative techniques as you can. Okay, it says, Kasinath, the young singer, fills the hall with sound. The 7 notes dance in his throat like 7 tame birds. His voice is a sharp sword, slicing and thrusting everywhere. It darts like lightning, know nothing where it will go when. He sets deadly traps for himself, then cuts them away. The courtiers listen in amazement, give frequent gasps of praise. Okay, so you can easily identify the similes by looking for the words like or as. So I'm going to give you this passage, and your goal is to look at the different figurative techniques that are used and identify them with an underline for me. And that should take us to the end of this session. Let's just put the picture there. There we go. So I'm going to screenshot this for you. Give it a... There you go. And let me just put the poem right here. Excellent. And then when I give you that poem, you're going to have some questions that we're going to look at, which says, find the 2 similes in the poem, right? And also, using that answer, write a short paragraph summarizing the ideas that was talked about in the figurative language. Right? So this is just 2 questions that I want you to attempt for me to see how well you are at interpreting the skills for figurative language. Then our next class, when we continue, we're going to go through these together. All right, everybody? Thank you for watching and have a great day.